Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Meet Oza, and I have completed my MTech from the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Today, I am going to present my research work entitled Designing a Hybrid Aluminum Silicon Carbide Graphite Functionally Graded Composite Material with Optimum Composition and Mechanical Properties. The contents are as follows. Let me quickly do the introduction part. Aluminum silicon carbide metal matrix composites are widely used for aerospace and automotive applications due to their high strength to weight ratio, superior thermal properties, and moderate mechanical properties. But one of the limitation of the components made up by this system is they require intermittent lubrication. So one of our objective was to introduce graphite into this system, as graphite is a well-known solid lubricant and it will provide a self-lubricating property, and overall it is going to enhance the property of the composite. Piston, control rods, and braking systems are the major examples where these composite systems are used. One of our prime objective was to fabricate a functionally graded material. The unique characteristic of FGM is the ability to tailor the material's property depending on the requirement. So majority of the applications require very high surface hardness with good fracture toughness. This is not possible completely in monolithic sample where the composition is the same. But in FGM we can explore this property, and we thought of fabricating a stepwise gradient FGM where a pure aluminum ductile core is available at the bottom, and as we move from the bottom to the top, the silicon carbide content or the reinforcement content increases, so we will have a superior hardness. Moving on to the experiments, we procured the initial powders from the industry. Depending on the composition, the powders were weighed in this plastic bottle. Zirconia balls were added in this plastic bottle and were mixed using tumbler mixer to get homogeneous powder distribution. After that, the mixed powder was introduced into the graphite dye. This graphite dye was pre-compacted at a particular pressure so that we get a sufficient green strength in the green compact. This green compact was later sintered in the modern spark plasma sintering technique, where simultaneous application of pressure, temperature and DC pulse current is generated. So we get a very good densification along with short processing. So moving on to the results, you can see that we have fabricated various samples with different compositions ranging from pure aluminum or 0% silicon carbide content to silicon carbide content as high as 80%. From the density measurement results, we found that there is a critical composition above which, if we increase the reinforcement content, we will have a lot of porosity. So this is the critical range, and we also wanted to introduce graphite into the system. So this critical range was, we added graphite in this critical range so that we can know how it acts during the densification, and we found that it is going to add in densification. So depending on the initial understanding, we prepared a final design where we wanted to fabricate three different functionally graded material, and the where the top layer composition is different with and without graphite. So the layer average of all the four layers was designated to the monolithic sample so that we can relatively compare the behavior of the monolithic and FGM sample. So these photos are of the final sintered polished samples where you can see easily from the naked eye the stepwise gradient is observed, while there is a single composition for the monolithic sample. Moving on to the density measurement of the final monolithic samples, we can see that almost they are 100% dense.